Hi, scholars. So today we're going to be looking at lesson 16.3, comparing solid figures. So solid figures are not like flat shapes where they're just a circle or a square and they're just flat. Solid figures have shape to them. Like a cube is kind of like a pair of dice are cubes, or a cylinder like this is like a can, maybe some canned soup. So we are going to look at the aspects of different solid figures, and what that means is our academic words, solid figures, like we just talked about, round, like the cylinder has a round shape, and flat sides, like the cube has flat sides all the way around. Now, a cylinder has flat sides too on the top and on the bottom, but it is round on the other side, like a can or a jar. Okay, but we're going to talk a little bit more about that. Let's look and see what Rainbow Fish says.
What solid figures do you see?
Which ones do you see, scholars? I see a cylinder, like we talked about before, a cube, a sphere, and a cone.
There is a sphere, a cube, a cone, and a cylinder. What solid figures do you see?
Oh,
there is a sphere, a cone, and a cylinder. How is each figure moving?
Remember what we talked about, those round shaped, scholars?
Each figure is rolling.
Rolling.
What does an object have to look like to roll? It must be round or have a rounded part.
That's right.
What do you see? A cube and cylinder are stacked. Why can these figures be stacked?
Because they have sides that are flat.
They have flat sides. Which solid figures slide?
Ooh, which of these can slide, scholars?
The cylinder, cube, and cone slide.
They can all slide.
What solid figure can stack, slide, and roll?
So which one of these can stack because it has flat sides, can slide because it has flat sides, but also has a round part to roll? Which one?
The cylinder can stack, slide, and roll.
That's right.
Now you know different ways to compare solid figures.
So scholars, now when we are looking at our solid figures, we can remember that if they have a round, curvy outside, that they can roll. If they have flat sides, they can stack and slide. And sometimes some shapes have both flat and round shapes to them, okay? So in your work today, you're going to go to lesson 16.3 in your black workbook, and you're going to find the solid figures that can roll, the solid figures that can slide. And can you find any objects that can do both, scholars? So go ahead and mark those, and your book will tell you how to do that, but you can go ahead and mark those and share them on Seesaw, okay? All right, you're doing a great job, and we'll talk to you soon.